Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it's the 25th day of March. I hope you're safe and well as we navigate through this unprecedented crisis that we're dealing with. Here in the middle of the night, it's very warm out here. And in fact, it was a busy night in North Alabama. 2 tornado reports last night and 6, at least half a dozen wind damage reports. And on radar this morning, as I make this for you in the middle of the night, there's still some nice showers going through Tallapoosa County and Lee County. I think these will slide off and be a non-issue later this morning. Okay, so we're still in the 80s today, maybe slightly cooler than yesterday by a couple of degrees, but I think we're in the 80s for the next several days, and maybe some record high temperatures, as I've been telling you, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When is the next rain coming back into our forecast? Could next week be significantly cooler than this week? And wait till you see the pollen numbers. Oh my gosh, they're high. The front that brought severe weather to North Alabama last night is weakening as it moves into central Alabama this morning and heading on southward. I don't think it'll be much of a player today. There it is after lunchtime into South Alabama. We may shave a couple of degrees off our high temperature. 7 o'clock tonight, it is near the Florida border and just about fizzling out. So a nice day today. How about 83 for a high with a sun and cloud mix? And tonight a little cooler. How about upper 50s for an overnight low temperature? Another one of those big upper highs builds over the Gulf of Mexico. There it is tomorrow with the ridge of high pressure across the southeastern U.S. Potential record highs late week and into the early part of the weekend. So Thursday is a mostly sunny day, but it'll feel more like Memorial Day with upper 80s and a record in jeopardy, flirting with 90 degrees Friday. That's crazy early for something like that. In fact, there you go. Near 90 across much of central and south Alabama. I see a few low 90s in portions of Georgia and Louisiana. So a very warm day for the month of March. This is Saturday, and it's going to be in the upper 80s again. But we do see that frontal system approaching, so clouds will be on the increase. Chance of showers towards Saturday evening, Saturday night. There's Saturday night at 10 p.m. with the front moving through the area. Not a lot of rain with this, but maybe enough to wet down a few areas. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we are in record territory, probably tying or exceeding a record each one of those days. That's amazing. A little cooler on Sunday. Instead of the 80s, I think we'll be in the 70s, maybe the mid to upper 70s on Sunday. Maybe a little cooler, like the low 70s as we get into, let's say, Monday. So we'll put in a small rain chance Monday with a high temperature up to about 72. And then we're looking ahead. The rain chances will pick up Monday night into Tuesday. That's a storm system that could bring showers and thunderstorms to the state. We'll be watching that one as we get closer to Tuesday. So upper 80s Thursday, upper 80s Friday, same thing on Saturday, upper 80s, chance of a shower towards Saturday evening, better chance of rain Saturday night into maybe Sunday morning. Sunday's high 77, lower 70s on Monday. I'll put in at least a small risk of a shower. That is subject to review. But could we be cooler next week? Well, according to the GFS, we have another front that comes in, the one that comes in on Tuesday, which could usher in somewhat cooler air. It's got us in the 60s during the daytime, 40s at night, so that could be a big change. Pollen count is about off the scale. It's as high as it gets, high to very high range, right on through the next several days, so no relief in sight as far as the pollen goes. All right, everybody. Hope you have a great day today. Keep washing your hands. I've never washed my hands so many times. I hope you're staying safe and well, and there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. In a little while, I'll be leaving this location, which is my house, and going to the Blue Water Weather Center, and we'll be on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. You'll also see us on TV on Channel 8 and Channel 32 on their program, Alabama Rising, on the Alabama News Network. And what am I leaving out? Your forecast whenever you want it, of course, even in a crisis, across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Have a good day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.